Hi everyone, welcome to All Tech Projects and to this step-by-step tutorial where we'll guide you through installing Docker on Ubuntu OS. If you're working with containerized applications, Docker is an essential tool that allows you to build, package, and distribute applications efficiently. Whether you're a developer, system administrator, or just curious about DevOps, this guide is for you. So, let's dive in and get Docker up and running on your Ubuntu system. Step 1. Update existing packages. Before installing Docker, the first thing we need to do is update our package list. Why is this necessary? Updating your package list ensures that your system retrieves the latest available versions of software, security patches, and dependency updates. To do this, open your terminal and run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. The sudo apt update command fetches the latest package lists from the Ubuntu repositories, while sudo apt upgrade y installs any available updates for the software packages already installed. The y flag automatically confirms the upgrade process, saving us from manually approving each update. After running this, your system will be updated and ready for the next steps. It will take some time to update and upgrade. After completing Step 1, Step 2. Install required dependencies. Now that our system is up to date, we need to install some required dependencies. These dependencies help facilitate secure communication between our system and the Docker repository. Run the following command. Sudo apt install y ca certificates curl nupk. Let's break this down. Ca certificates ensures that our system trusts secure HTTPS connections. Curl, a command line tool used to transfer data from URLs, which we'll use to fetch Docker's official GPG key. Nupk provides cryptographic capabilities necessary for verifying the authenticity of the Docker package. Once installed, our system will be ready to securely retrieve Docker files. Step 3. Add Docker's official GPG key. To ensure the integrity and authenticity of the Docker software, we must add Docker's official GPG key. This cryptographic key allows our system to verify that the Docker packages we are about to install are genuine and unmodified. Execute the following commands. Sudo install m0 755d etc. apt keyrings. The first command creates a secure directory etc. apt keyrings to store the Docker key with proper permissions. 0755 means the directory is accessible but not writable by others. The second command fetches Docker's GPG key using curl and saves it to the keyring directory. The third command ensures the key has the correct read permissions. Now that we have Docker's key, Let's move to the next step. Step 4. Add Docker repository. Since Docker is not available in Ubuntu's default repository, we need to add Docker's official repository to our package sources. This allows us to download and install the latest stable version directly from Docker. Run this command. Here's what's happening. The dpkg print architecture ensures the repository is added for your system's architecture. The $, OS release and echo $version underscore codename dynamically fetches your Ubuntu version, such as Focal for Ubuntu 20.04 or Jammy for Ubuntu 22.04. The final part adds Docker's stable release repository to our package sources. After executing this, our system is now aware of Docker's official package source. Step 5. Update package index again. Now that we have added Docker's repository, we need to refresh our package index to include the newly added repository. Run sudo apt update. This ensures that Ubuntu now recognizes Docker as a source from which it can install packages. Without this step, Ubuntu won't be able to locate and install Docker. Step 6. Install Docker. Finally, it's time to install Docker. Run the following command. Sudo apt install via dockerce dockerce container.io docker build x plugin docker compose plugin. Let's break this down. Dockerce, the core Docker engine. Dockerce CLI, the command line interface to interact with Docker. Container.io, a container runtime required by Docker. Docker build x plugin, a tool for advanced Docker builds. Docker compose plugin allows us to run multi-container applications. Once installed, Docker is now available on your system, but we need to start and enable it. Step 7. Start and enable Docker service. For Docker to function properly, we need to start its service and configure it to launch automatically on system boot. Run the following commands. Sudo systemtool start Docker. What do these commands do? Sudo systemtool start Docker. This starts the Docker service so that we can begin using it. Sudo systemtool enable Docker. This ensures that Docker starts automatically whenever you reboot your system. Step 8. Verify Docker installation. Now that Docker is installed and running, let's verify if everything is working correctly. Run Docker version. This should display the installed Docker version. And that's it. You now have Docker installed on your Ubuntu machine. With Docker, you can run containers, deploy applications efficiently, and explore the world of DevOps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.